Company Limited is a professional large-scale manufacturer of all types of home-use pasta maker, integrating development and production together. Set up on year 2010 in Zhongshan City, we have 9 years experiences for induction cooktop, ceramic stove, high-duty blender, vacuum blender manufacturing. Through the efforts of our entire staff, we have gained more than many patents and continuously tried to improve product quality. Currently, our products are already exported to America, Australia, Italy, and 20 other countries and regions. Our company has always focused on research, development, and innovation. Our products passed some certification, such as GS, CE, CB, and so on. Our strong R&D team is improving existing products and developing new products. Every year, 5 to 10 new models increased. We are equipping our products with advanced features to obtain market opportunity for our customers. With our strength, management, and sincere service, we won the market share by gaining both economy benefits and social benefits, enjoying a good reputation in our community. Our company regards reasonable prices, efficient production time, and good after-sales service as our tenet. Welcome to visit our company. Your any evaluation will be helpful and valuable for us to be more professional and moving forward. We hope to cooperate with more customers for mutual development and benefits. We are sincerely expecting to cooperate with you and win-win. Warmly welcome to visit our company. Let's create bright future together.